Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and I hope you're having a lovely day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can open up an Amazon account, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, I'm using the web browser version. It is pretty much the same on both the web browser and on the mobile phone, so just follow this tutorial and everything should be clear to you. Now, as you can see, I'm logged into my account, so I already have an existing account. However, I will also be using this to demonstrate how to open it. It will not detract it from it in any way. And another bonus from this video, I will show you how to add another account alongside your own account on Amazon. Now, what you want to do is once you are here, you can just click here to sign in, and then you can just click the sign up button. But if you have an account open already, what you want to do is go into your account. Once you're here, just go into your profiles, and here you can manage your profiles. Now, here will be any profiles which you already have open, and you can then manage your profiles however you'd like. However, the way that you need to do to actually add an account is to go into the accounts and lists drop down menu, and then just navigate down to switch accounts. Then just click that and you will be taken to this screen where you can just add an account, and this is the exact sign up or sign in button which you will use anyway. You can just click create your Amazon account, and here you just enter all of this information which it asks from you. Just click continue, follow more instructions, and your account will be set up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.